Hi, I'm Mark Reisler, President of Windsor Windows and Doors, and I'm very happy to announce we've delivered our new building. It's full of equipment, it's full of employees, it's full of material, and we're in business. We purchased this facility in 1992. It was a 200,000 square foot facility then, and we had just outgrown it. So we've built a 570,000 square foot factory. It's the largest in wood grain, and it's one of the largest in the entire window industry. So now moving into a building that's almost 2.5 times size larger allows us to expand our product offering by adding vinyl windows in that facility, to add a vinyl window that has an impact option as an example, so that we can address the housing growth along the coastal markets from Florida all the way up the East Coast to north of New York. That allows us to continue to expand and grow our core Pinnacle window. That's our premium clad wood window. We will be also installing a powder coat paint operation and an automated interior paint and stain line, as well as adding new automated assembly operations as we roll out new products to address the growing need for higher energy efficient products. That's a mouthful, but we've also added new office space. We've added space for sales training, and we host many visits throughout the year of contractors, architects, and distributors. And so we've tripled the size of our training facility and really created a state-of-the-art environment to host all of our customers so that we can bring them up to speed on the latest advancements that we've made inside of Windsor and what's happening inside of the industry. The expanded space also allows us to be more efficient in a manufacturing environment. You know, the better flow that you can get through a factory, the better off you're going to be in manufacturing. When we designed and built this building, we had that in mind right from the beginning. If you look at our layout in the new factory, you know, from the receiving dock to the high density warehousing to the machining area, all the way into the assembly operation, and then finished goods and shipping, it's essentially one line of continuous flow from when the material originally arrives in its raw form until it ships out the back door in its finished state. That alone is going to allow us to do a better job for our customers, to keep lower and consistent lead times, and to just be a more efficient and better operating company. So this is the culmination of work by so many dedicated on the engineering and architectural side, working with the city of Monroe, the Union County officials, the state of North Carolina officials. Wood Grain, our parent company, has been very supportive throughout this process. So many people inside of our business who've been working from product design standpoint, working on new equipment designs, working with vendors, and then really the patience of our employees who have seen this construction process over a period of time now get to move from the old building and into the new building, and really it's a celebration. We're very fortunate to have several hundred dedicated employees. We have an excellent workforce in Monroe. Going forward, we're planning on adding significantly to that workforce. In fact, for the vinyl window operation alone, we'll be adding 100 new employees by the end of 2025. And as we continue to grow other parts of our business, we're going to need at least another 100 employees to address our growth and the market need. This is a big, exciting decision that we made a couple of years ago, and it's very satisfying to see it come full circle now. So, all the planning, all the hard work by so many people has now really kind of come to a crescendo as we open up the new facility in 2025.